Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and today we have something to celebrate. And it's really thanks to all of you guys. We've met one of our goals, which was to hit 1,000 subscribers. Which we did on the 4th of July, so last week on Wednesday. And we did want to give a really big thank you to everybody who's subscribed to us, all our old subscribers, new subscribers, and some of the channels that have helped us out as well. The big channels that have helped us in meeting our goals would be Dan from Grass Fed Homestead. He's actually my #1 subscriber, literally. He was my first subscriber.
YouTube! How you guys doing today?
Pratt Family Homestead, who helped with one of our first collaborations that we did. Wholesome Roots, because we've just been always back and forth with ideas on foraging and everything. And of course, Justin Rhodes.
Now wait a minute, are we seeing this right? Are we seeing this right? You have one gosling, one silky hen, and 2 little chicks.
Yeah. From Abundant Permaculture, the Justin Rhodes YouTube channel. Because he chose us as his Michigan stop. Crazy, but no, he's great, the family's great, and we're still in touch, which is kind of awesome. And he keeps sending people our direction with his live shows for his premium members, which is also awesome. So thank you to all those channels that have helped us get us out there, let people know that we're here, we're raising our own food, you know, kind of what we're doing a little bit. Thank you guys to all the subscribers. And to celebrate our achievement, we're gonna have a big giveaway. So we're gonna give away 2 things. One would be some pasta from West Michigan Pasta, which is my husband's business. We will ship this out. Now this can't cross country borders, I don't believe, without customs approval. So if you win this, it would be restricted to within the United States, and we do have some international viewers as well. But we'll have a second prize that we're giving away. But we have a second prize that we're giving away, and that would be this book, which is a week-by-week vegetable garden handbook, which you can basically enter in your average day of last frost, and then you work backwards and forwards through the book, calculating what week you should plant when. It gives a lot of planting tips and suggestions. It's not something I follow to the T, but it is something that helps remind me on, you know, what should I be planting when. So, and I've actually started using this in combination with a monthly calendar that I actually won from the Pratts in one of their giveaways, because this allows you to redo your calendar year by year. If you use a New Year's calendar, you can have your dates all marked out here, but then you can make your notes on your calendar. So I use it in partnership with that. What you'll need to do to enter this giveaway is, #1, if you haven't already subscribed, you need to subscribe to our channel, which you could click that link down below saying subscribe. #2, you need to pick one of our videos to share on social media. You could share it on whatever social media platform you'd like to use. You could pick from any number of, I think we have over 200 videos. So pick your favorite. And 3, you need to put in the comment below on this video which video you shared and to what social media platform you shared it with. And you can share up to 5 videos for 5 different entries, but you have to make a comment for each video entry down below. Now you have to submit all entries before Saturday night, the 21st of July at midnight Eastern Standard Time. We only will take entries to that time because we'll need to prepare for our drawing. And then on Sunday night on our live show at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will do a live drawing and we will pick the winners of our pasta and this gardening book. We will also give you instructions at the time of the live show on how to contact us so that we can ship your prize to you. So stay tuned for our live show, and please enter up to 5 entries by sharing 5 different videos and making 5 comments on which videos you shared down below in this video. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. We really enjoy that. We really enjoy interacting with you. It's been a lot of fun, and we'll see you at our live show. Take care, you guys.